Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Hunting Wisconsin. Right now, we're going to my stand, and we are going to mix 3 different baits together and see how the deer like it, and just give you a checkup on the stand. Hey guys, we're back at my bait pile, and as you can tell, the corn we put out yesterday's episode is gone. So we're going to check my camera, and then I'm going to mix 3 different attractants together, and we'll see what we're going to get. We just checked the trail camera chip. Sadly, there was only one doe here last night. She ate all the corn. We didn't get that many pictures of her. Hopefully tonight, after we put these attractants out, we can get some more deer back here. Okay guys, we just checked this camera here that is facing this stump, which I poured my homemade liquid attractant on. And you guys are not going to believe what we had a picture of. Okay guys, the first thing we're putting out is corn. We already put a little down. I have another bottle. I'm going to put some more. Okay, so now that the corn's out, we're putting some Swamp Donkey crushed attractant. We're just going to sprinkle this over the corn. It smells pretty good, kind of like apples, and I can see that there's some crunched up grains in here. So we're just going to make a pile in the middle here. Alright. The last thing we're putting out today is some rotten apples. There's a full bushel of apples in every bag. They are pellets, so I think I'm just going to sprinkle these around with the corn or maybe make a small pile. Thanks for watching another episode of Hunting Wisconsin.